Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel MyTechLearner. In today's video, we will learn how to use an ultrasonic sensor with Arduino Uno board. Ultrasonic sensors are handy for detecting objects, measuring distances, and even building cool robots. So let's dive in. Components requirement to complete this project, you will need Arduino Uno board, ultrasonic sensor HC-SR04, breadboard and jumper wires, LED and resistors. These are optional. Now let's connect the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino board. It's super simple, I promise. Just follow the wiring diagram shown on the screen or in the video description. Connect the VCC and ground pins of the sensor to the 5-volt and ground pins of the Arduino respectively. Then connect the trigger pin of the sensor to digital pin 2 and the echo pin to digital pin 3. Once the wiring is done, let's move on to the code. We will be using the Arduino IDE for programming. Open the Arduino IDE, create a new sketch file and copy the code provided in the video description or on the website. Video description are on our website www.mytechlearner.tech. The code begins by defining some constants and variables. We set the trigger and echo pin numbers and initialize the serial communication for debugging. Next, we have the setup functions. Here we set the trigger pin as an output and the echo pin as input. We also start the serial communication at the baud rate of 9600. In the loop function, we send a short pulse to the ultrasonic sensor by sending the trigger pin high for 10 microseconds. Then we measure the time it takes for the sound wave to bounce back by reading the value of the echo pin. Using the speed of sound, we calculate the distance by dividing the time by 2 and multiplying it by 0.0343. Finally, we print the distance on the serial monitor. Now, let's upload the code to the Arduino board. Connect your Arduino board to your computer via USB. Select the correct board and port in the Arduino IDE and click on the upload button. Once the code is uploaded successfully, let's test the ultrasonic sensor. Open the serial monitor from the Arduino IDE and you should see the distance measurements displayed in centimeters. That wraps up our tutorial on using an ultrasonic sensor with Arduino. You have learned how to wire the circuit, write the code and measure distance using the sensor. Now you can use this knowledge in your own projects like creating obstacle avoiding robots. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials.